In this video, we're going to be looking at converting units of volume of liquids from litres to centilitres, centilitres to millilitres, and I've put the abbreviations of these units on the board here. I've also got in pink my facts that I need to remember. 1 litre is 100 centilitres. 1 litre is also 1,000 millilitres, just as 1 metre is 1,000 millimetres. And 1 centilitre is equal to 10 millilitres. Now, centilitres aren't that commonly used in the UK. Abroad, they're a bit more commonly used. For example, in the UK, you might have a 500 millilitre drink. Well, usually abroad, if you were to buy that drink, it would be a 50 centilitre drink. You also need to know that 1 centimetre cubed is equal to 1 millilitre. So, converting litres into centilitres, well, if I know that 1 litre is equal to 100 centilitres, then that must mean I need to multiply my litres by 100 to work out how many centilitres I have. If I'm trying to convert centilitres into millilitres, well, 1 centilitre is 10 millilitres, so I multiply the number of centilitres I have by 10 to find the number of millilitres. Let's have a look at a few examples now. For example, 2.5 litres, and let's imagine that I'm converting that into a certain amount of centilitres. Well, to change litres into centilitres, I need to multiply by 100. So I'm going to be doing 2.5 multiplied by 100, and that will give me my amount of centilitres, which is equal to 250 centilitres. Okay, what about 150 centilitres into millilitres? Well, centilitres into millilitres are multiplied by 10. So, multiplying 150 by 10 will give me 1,500 millilitres. And finally, let's think about 17 litres into millilitres. Well, this time I've got to do 2 jumps, litres to centilitres, then to millilitres. So I need to multiply my number of litres, firstly by 100, and then secondly by 10. So I'm doing 17, I'm multiplying it by 100, and then I'm multiplying it by 10. Don't be afraid to do this in 2 steps. 17 multiplied by 100, well, I'm going to do that bit first. 17 multiplied by 100 is the same as 1,700. I then need to multiply it by 10, which will give me 17,000. And my answer is in millilitres.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.